As everything in nature, everything comes with its own advantages and disadvantages. While bamboo is often regarded as a promising renewable fuel source due to its rapid growth and abundance, it comes with a number of environmental and economic drawbacks that must be carefully considered. One of the most significant concerns is its invasive nature, which can lead to the displacement of native vegetation. Once introduced into a new area, bamboo can often spread aggressively and dominate the landscape, often outcompeting endemic plant species. This unchecked growth may result into a decline in biodiversity, which is critical in maintaining a balanced and resilient ecosystem. A reduction in biodiversity can lead to the weakening of the ecosystem services such as soil fertility, pest control, and water regulation. Moreover, despite of its fast growth, bamboo cultivation for bioethanol production is resource intensive. Bamboo has a high lignocellulosic content, making it structurally resistant to degradation. As such, it requires extensive pre-treatment processes, such as mechanical, chemical, or enzymatic treatments to break down its fibers and extract fermentable sugars. These pre-treatments are technologically demanding and expensive, adding significant cost to the overall production of bioethanol. Compared to other feedstocks such as sugarcane, corn, or even agricultural waste, bamboo yields lower bioethanol outputs, making it a less efficient option in terms of both energy and cost. The high input requirements of bamboo cultivation, particularly land, water, and chemical resources, raise further concerns regarding its sustainability. Where land availability is limited, dedicating large tracts of bamboo could compete with land needed for crop production, potentially causing food security issues. Additionally, improper land and water management during bamboo farming could lead to deforestation, soil degradation, and pollution of surrounding water bodies due to the runoff from fertilizers or pre-treatment chemicals. Economically, the low production yield combined with the high operational cost can make bamboo-based bioethanol uncompetitive compared to other renewable fuels. Small-scale farmers may struggle to maintain profitability, and large-scale operations might not be viable without heavy subsidies. These economic challenges could limit bamboo's potential in the global biofuel market. And if governments invest heavily in bamboo without proper planning, it may lead to misallocation of resources and an unintended environmental damage. In conclusion, while bamboo has a potential as a renewable energy source, its ecological invasiveness, complex processing requirements, and sustainability concerns suggest that it should be approached with caution. Proper management strategies, environmental assessments, and policy support are necessary to ensure that bamboo bioethanol production does not result in more harm than good.